Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya Beshis, kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Aries at mga bago po nating viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe na ating mababasa para sa'yo, Aries. Guilt. Cupid. Okay, so itong guilt is of course kung meron kang tawag doon, yung parang gumiginawa kang kasalanan, medyo guilty ka, di ba? Ito yun eh. Yung konsensya, nakokonsensya ka. Definitely, kung may ginawa kang mali o kasalanan sa person mo, o sa trabaho, o anything, sa business, yung konsensya mo kasi ang nagsasabi sa'yo na, uy, mali ang ginawa mo. Hindi ba dapat ganito? No? May bumubulong sa atin na o nagpapahiwatig o yung damdamin natin talagang mabigat, di ba? Parang may nag-guide sa atin na para malaman natin na mali yung ginawa natin. Kaya kung meron ka kasing yung ganong paniwala na o nakakaramdam ka ng ganito, yung guilty ka, o alam mong meron kang ginawang mali, nakakahadlang yun sa kaligayahan yung dalawa, no? Kasi yun yung, kung gaba parang negative na maliit na voice sa'yo na nagsasabing, hindi, dapat tamain mo to. Dapat magsabi ka ng totoo, o dapat i-ano mo to, ibalik mo to, mga ganun. Ngayon yung second card mo is Cupid, Aries. Love is in the air when Cupid's around, of course, no? Ito si Cupido. Yung maliit nating anghel na meron siya maliit na pana, di ba? Siya yung tiga-pana, based sa description niya, ha? Na kung sino man yung panain niya para sa'yo is yun yung tao na mai-inlove sa'yo, di ba? Kaya kung gaba parang si Cupido yung tiga ano natin eh, parang tiga match, tiga hanap ng ating person. Alam niya yung sinong tama para sa'yo. Okay? So, tignan natin kung ano pa yung mensahe na mababasa natin sa tarot para kay Aries. Okay, we have the Three of Hearts. We have the Three of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, the Ace of Cups, and the Hangman. Bottom niya is the Nine of Pentacles. Aries, if you are in this status right now, no, I'm talking to sa mga single Aries, no? Kasi this is a card of being single. And single na talagang masasabi nating successful, masasabi natin na You have everything you want. You are doing quite well sa iyong finances. No? You just enjoy. You're very independent. No? Hindi mo kailangan ng kahit sino para makamit itong mga ginhawa na to sa buhay. Dahil sa sarili mong pagsisikap, nakukuha mo ito. No? Nakakuha ka ng magandang career, magaling na posisyon sa kumpanya, kaya ang sweldo mo ay mataas, nabibili mo ang lahat ng gusto mo na materyales or anything that is material that makes you happy. Okay? Now, hindi ka lang maayos, no? When it comes to being single, but meron ka, you have this parang attitude, Aries, which is your card, the Fool, and another card sa tarot, which is the Emperor. So this is basically you, no? You are single and financially stable, and you don't care, no? You're willing to take the risk. Wala kang pakialam sa iba, but you will move forward kung saan ka magiging successful o paano ka magiging mas successful. Hindi ka takot. You will just move forward because ang gusto mo is really happiness. You want yung clarity, you want that success in life, no? Success in life. Just like the Emperor. No, this is again your card, Aries. Somebody who is really serious and determined and on top of everybody. Siya yung pinakamataas sa lahat. The Emperor. Kung ba siya yung namumuno, the leader, the head, the one who gives command, the one who executes the command, or gives the command. Okay? Kaya, ikaw to eh. This is basically you. Giving all, kung ano man yung, paano mo inaayos o pinapatakbo yung buhay mo para maging ganito. How to be single and rich. And very stable. Bakit ko nasabing ganun is because I think yung past life mo o past relationships mo, you had so many heartaches. Marami ka naging sakit sa damdamin o pinasukan na relationship na talagang nagbigay sa'yo ng sakit sa damdamin. In other words, na broken-hearted ka. And naging problema nun is hindi mo kasi mawari kung anong uunahin mo o paano mo titimbangin ang mga bagay-bagay. Relasyon ba? O pera? O career? Naninimbang ka kasi kung ano mas bibigyan mo ng importansya, panahon, pagmamahal. Pareho namang importante sa'yo, but somehow, I think you were trying to see kung kaya mong pagsabayin na hindi ka mahirapan o magiging maganda pa rin yung outcome kung pagsabayin mo man to. But somehow, I think you took time to really fall in love, no? With the Queen of Cups. Pinili mo rin na ma-in love. Kasi lahat naman tayo, we wanted to be loved one way or the other, di ba? But somehow, kahit yung intention mo na magkaroon ng panibagong pag-ibig with this new love, yung naging outcome kasi is parang wala pa rin. Nag-iintay ka pa rin. You're still waiting for that new love to come. But I think you're wrong, Aries. Kasi sa akin, ang nakikita ko dito for you, dumating naman yung new love. But the new love came for you, para sa'yo, na mahalin mo ang sarili mo. Mahalin mo muna ang sarili mo. Yun yung new love na dumating. And that is what you need to understand. And that is what you need to learn. No? Love yourself first. The love na binibigay sa'yo dito ni God or in universe is something that has to start from you. Mag-start sa'yo. Anything in excess, no? Anything na lumabas dito sa cup na to, which is this water, going back to the ocean, is the love that you should give to other people, sa ibang tao. But you need to fill up first. Kailangan mo munang punuin yung kupita na to ng pagmamahal para sa'yo. Okay? Yun yung kailangan mong maintindihan o matutunan. And I guess you did that because somehow, successful ka eh. You have money, you have everything except love. But love in a relationship. But you are in a relationship with yourself. Kasi dito baka iniisip mo, wala naman akong ka-relationship eh. Ang ka-relationship mo yung sarili mo. Yung ibang tao, that would come later once you have fulfilled yourself, once you have really show yourself that you love yourself. Tama ba yung pag-explain ko? Pinatunayan mo sa sarili mo na talagang mahal mo muna ang sarili mo bago ibang tao. Once nagawa mo yan, dadating na ngayon yung love na iniintay mo. Yung love na iniintay mo. Okay? I guess that is what you have to learn. And that's the time when Cupid will, kung ba magiging active na siya sa'yo, and papanain niya na kung sino tamang tao para sa'yo. Once naintindihan mo na yung ibig sabihin nitong love na binibigay sa'yo ng God o ng universe. Okay? Now, the guilt part here, I guess it might have something to do with this. Yung heartache na naramdaman mo. Take it as it resonates kung if you or your person is the one na nagkamali. Kasi kung ano man yun, kung ano naging cost nung pagkakaroon nyo ng split up o heartache o kakaroon ng confrontation o bakit nakagawa ng mali yung isang tao towards you or vice versa, yun nga eh. Kaya kailangan masabi, kailangan ipaalam para maalis yung guilt feeling na yon. Kasi kung gaba parang there's something that has forced either you or your person para mag-commit ng mistake. Okay? At magkaroon tuloy ng, dahil sa mistake na yon, naapektuhan yung inyong relationship, yung inyong pagmamahalan, at ang iyong kaligayahan. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung advice na gustong ibigay sa inyo, Aries. We have full moon in Aries, which is you. Cool your emotions. And then first quarter moon in Capricorn, unleash your kindset self. Unleash your kindest self. And last quarter moon in Aquarius, reflect on your priorities. Okay, so pag-isipin mo, ano bang importante para sa akin? Now, let us see kung ano yung qualities ng person na dadating sa'yo once, Cupid has chosen the person for you. Ano bang mga possible qualities ng person na to? Oh, yung person mo has a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. Meron siyang anak. Loyal and faithful. Mahaba ang buhok. Mahiyain. May katabaan. Okay? So, this is just to give you an idea of this person that might be coming in the future. Okay? So, I hope na nakatulong ito sa iyo, Aries. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.